An Air Force personnel was killed and four others injured in a terror attack in Jammu's Poonch district on Saturday evening. According to military sources, two vehicles carrying the IAF personnel came under fire from terrorists around 6 pm when they were near Shah Satar. The area falls between Surankot Sanai Top and Mendhar's Gursai region in the border district. The injured personnel were evacuated to Udhampur for treatment on IAF choppers, where one of them succumbed. In a statement, the IAF said, and I quote, "In the gunfight with terrorists, the air warriors fought back by returning fire. In the process, 5 IAF personnel received bullet injuries and were evacuated to the nearest military hospital for immediate medical attention. One air warrior succumbed to his injuries later. Further operations are on by the local security forces." According to sources, a search and cordon operation was underway and special forces of the army, along with 37 RR and other units in the vicinity, were involved. Sources said combing and search operations had been going on in the area between Mendhar and Surankot for the past few days following reports of militant movement. During the searches, militants opened fire on a vehicle carrying the IAF personnel, who retaliated. One of the trucks in the convoy bore the major brunt of the attack, with several bullets piercing its front and side windscreen in the firing by the terrorists, who were armed with AK assault rifles and are believed to have fled into the nearby dense forests. Poonch district is part of the Anantnag-Rajouri parliamentary constituency, which is going to polls on May 25th. This is the third militant attack in Pir Panjal region, spread over Rajouri and Poonch districts in the last 2 weeks. A 40-year-old villager was killed after militants opened fire at him near Shadra Sharif area in Thana Mandi on April 22nd. The man, Muhammad Razik of Kunda Top, was the brother of a territorial army soldier. On April 28th, a village defense guard, Muhammad Sharif, was killed in Basantgarh area of Udhampur. On December 21, 4 soldiers were killed in a terror attack on their convoy on the Mughal road between Dehra Ki Gali and Bufliaz in Poonch. That ambush came weeks after a major gunfight in the Dharamsal belt of Bajimal forest in Rajouri that left 5 army personnel, including 2 captains, dead. In view of the upcoming parliamentary elections in the area, security forces and police have already launched cordon and search operations on massive scale to flush out militants and their sympathizers. A few days before the Shadra Sharif attack, the police and security forces in a joint operation had apprehended a school headmaster from Haribuddha area of Poonch and seized a Pakistan-made pistol along with ammunition as well as 2 Chinese grenades from his house.